Foggy glasses, all this emotion. Tried to tell her, but she probably didn't notice. She say she ain't got nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong. She say she ain't got no purpose. I say, what you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on?
Hey friends, welcome to Delicia at Home. If this is your first time here, I'm Delicia, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. The fact that you chose to click on this video means everything. Therefore, I want to start out by saying thank you and let you know how much I appreciate you. Today's video is an open collaboration hosted by the Glam Squad of YouTube. The Glam Squad ladies are Glamour Ellen of Glamour Ellen, N of Luxury Living with N, B of Elegant Designs by B, and Tammy of Glam Queen of Decor. If you're here from any of these lovely ladies' channels, I want to make sure that I say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so glad you're here. And if you haven't visited any of their channels yet, please make sure that you do after you view this video in its entirety. I'm sure you will find tons of inspiration as well as motivation. They have some fabulous ideas, DIYs, styling, their home, tablescapes. I'm sure you'll love them all. And I will link all of their channels in the description box below. Now, I'm going to leave all of the glam stuff to the Glam Squad. I like all things sparkly like most girls do, but I am mostly casual and cozy. So if you like those type of things also, and in addition, if you just like all things home and lifestyle, you're in the right place. So if you haven't done so already, make sure that you click on that subscribe button. That way you're locked into all of my videos, and so that you never miss out on my latest uploads, make sure that you also click on that notification bell. Now let's get started. I'm starting out with my table runner that I got a while back from Marshall's. The cream or off-white color is perfect for fall, and the linen-like or linen, I don't think that this is real linen, but the linen-like texture of this is so beautiful, and of course that's also perfect for the upcoming fall season. Next, I'm going to put this candelabra in the center. I got this from Hobby Lobby not too long ago. It came in black, and I painted it gold because I thought that I would use it a little bit more as a gold candelabra. So we'll put that there and add some amber vases to that. Now in the amber vases, I'll put these fall florals that I picked up from Hobby Lobby this year.
She say she ain't got nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong. She say she ain't got no purpose. I say, what you on?
Next, I'm going to fill in the gaps in the center of the table. I grabbed these faux leaves that I've had for years from Michael's, and we're just going to sprinkle those in the middle. As you can see, there are various colors. I'm thinking about pulling the red ones out. They may be a little bit too bright for what I'm going for. Next, on top of that, I'm going to layer them with various pumpkins. The smaller ones are from Michael's. I got this here. The glittery ones are from the Dollar Tree. I've had for about 2 years. And the bigger one from Walmart I've also had for about 2 years. I'm doing 6 place settings this time. I usually do 4. We're going to use placemats this time. The water hyacinth placemats came from IKEA. And for the 2 4 chairs in the center, we're going to do all the same, and the heads will be different. So I'm using this melamine plate, this sage melamine plate from Hobby Lobby as the dinner plate. And then for the salad plate, we're using this pumpkin themed ceramic plate from Hobby Lobby. And everyone will get the beigeish color napkin tucked under. For the heads of the table, we're using these white beaded plates from Target. To all of my subscribers, thank you very much for connecting with me. You know how much I appreciate you. If you didn't know, I'm also on other platforms. I'm on Instagram and Pinterest at Delicia at Home. So if you'd like to connect with me over there as well, please do so. I'll see you soon.
Shawty, you're a brick wall. Over, under, through, you none of that at all. You need to be knocked down and rebuilt again. Foggy glasses, all this emotion. Tried to tell her, but she probably didn't notice. She say she ain't got nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong. She say she ain't got no purpose. I say, what you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Shawty was a brick wall.
Once again, I want to thank the Glam Squad for hosting this open collaboration, as well as all of the participants who worked very hard to style their tables, to share their inspiration, as well as any of you who came over from the Glam Squad's channels or the participants' channels. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I hope that I was also an inspiration for you as well. Again, I will leave all of the links in my description box below for the Glam Squad. And I always end my video with this: don't let anybody or anything steal your joy. It is yours. Make your day amazing. I'll see you all in the next video.